Keep on doing it. Dollar cost average. Keep on doing it. Every 2 weeks or every time you get paid, just keep doing it. Automatic investment coming from your automatic checking account into your investments. Keep doing that, keep doing that, keep doing that. And your money is working for you. And eventually your money will build. You're going to set up an automatic investment going for your primary checking account into your investment account. I'm going to set up a investment account with Fidelity or Vanguard. Open an investment account, go to automatic investment, and you can have money going from your automatic primary checking account going to your investment account. And you'll accept your investments. You could select stocks, ETFs, bonds, dividend stocks. But what I want you to do, I want you to pick dividend stocks. Pick Coca-Cola, pick Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, the high growth ETF. You could pick the high yield dividend ETF, or you could pick the VTI Vanguard ETF. Just keep on doing it. Dollar cost average. Keep on doing it. Every 2 weeks or every time you get paid, just keep doing it. Automatic investment coming from your automatic checking account into your investments. Keep doing that, keep doing that, keep doing that. And your money is working for you. And eventually your money will build. And that's how you receive dividends. So when you're investing in your investments, your stocks, you receive dividends. And you can reinvest those dividends to let it build, or you can withdraw those dividends from your checking account. So we like to keep our dividends, and we're going to reinvest them to let it build over time. Another thing too, you can invest in cryptocurrency. You could go to Coinbase, invest in some cryptocurrencies, just like how you invest in stocks. You got Bitcoin, you got Ethereum, Polkadot, Cardano, Luna, Avalanche, and all those different type of cryptocurrencies you can invest in. And once the volatility, you can buy and sell based on the volatility of the cryptocurrency. That's another good way to make your money work for you. Or you can use another exchange, FTX, Binance, Crypto.com, CoinMarketCap. It's a lot of different platforms you can use to invest in cryptocurrencies. You just want to invest in cryptocurrencies, get that volatility, and you can make money based off the volatility. You can buy low, sell high, just like how you do stocks. Or you can stake your cryptocurrency and you could gain interest on your cryptocurrencies.